Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be diving into the world of buyback sites and how you can use a powerful tool called Reusely to create your own. We'll cover what Reusely is, why businesses use buyback sites in the first place, share examples of successful companies, and show you how easy it is to build a buyback site using Wix Studio and other tools. Let's get started. So what is Reusely? Reusely is a platform that allows businesses to integrate buyback and trade-in programs directly into their websites or apps. It's designed to make the trade-in process seamless and user-friendly, helping businesses increase customer engagement and conversion. With Reusely, you can handle trade-ins in-house or through a processor, manage buyback operations, automate payouts, and so much more. For instance, the smartphone medics integrated Reusely's buyback widget on their product pages, making trade-ins a natural part of their customer shopping experience. This has not only boosted customer loyalty, but also increased their revenue significantly. Another example is Eco ATM, which uses a similar buyback model to encourage recycling of electronics, contributing to their rapid growth and success. All right, let's talk about using Reusely tech. Integrating Reusely into your site is pretty straightforward. Let's dive into it. So first off, when we jump onto reusely.com, what we're going to want to do is sign up first. If you don't have an account already, head over to Reusely's site and sign up, simply going to pricing. If you're trying it out and want to take advantage of the 30-day free trial, feel free to do so right here. Simply click which trial you would like to work on, the starter, pro, or the enterprise. I'm just going to go ahead and click the start 30-day free trial. Since I already have a trial, I'm going to go ahead and log in, put in my credentials. All right, so basically what we're going to go ahead and do as we set up our free trial is kind of we're just giving information to Reusely on how exactly we're going to be using the platform. So how do you intend to purchase products? We're going to do mail-ins. We're going to add some of our information about our business, and I'm just going to kind of speed through this as we go through this process. We are now going to choose and price products we want to buy back from our potential customers. So we're going to go ahead and pick iPhones. We're also going to pick where we are going to get our data source, basically which platform or option we're going to be using for pricing to be set automatically. I'm just going to go ahead and select Sell Shark for everything. And I'm going to do that for the rest of my products. So I'm going to go ahead and pick iPhone, Galaxy Series S. And I'm going to do that to a couple more products and speed up the process. Now I'm going to pick how I'd like to pay for my products. I'm going to go ahead and pick PayPal and or any other payment platforms that I want to be using. I'm going to go ahead and pick PayPal, click continue. And now we're going to go ahead and deploy the widget. I've selected 3 particular products that we want to have on our website. And now I'm just going to go ahead and deploy the widget. So we have our Galaxy, our iPhones, and our Pixel, and we have our widget code right here. I can simply go to copy, but right now we're just going to go to finish, and we're going to use this widget code later. From here, this is what our widget will simply look like on the website. As you can see, this is our widget. Here are our 3 process panels, which you will see and how it works in a second. I can go ahead and click iPhone, for example, and then it will go to the next step, which type of iPhone, so on and so forth. But we're not going to talk about that just yet. We're going to go ahead and go to our settings panel. And this is where we get to actually customize what the widget looks like when it's on our website. We can change our company logo. We can put our information here. We're going to go ahead and do that at a later date, but this is where you change your colors, your themes, your buttons, everything, your pricing related to the widget, so that when you put it on your website, it looks exactly how it should for your brand. Now, if I want to add additional products to our catalog, I've picked 3 so far. I've picked our Apple, our Google Pixel phone, and I've picked our Samsung. If I wanted to change any of the products here, I can go ahead and select specific products that I want to show up in the widget. I showed you how to pick the specific products that you want during the sign up portion of signing up for the widget or signing up for the Reusely platform. And I'm just going to select a couple. So I'm going to add our BlackBerry, our Google phones, the HTC, the Huawei, and Apple, and let's go ahead and put Amazon in here. So we have a little bit more options than what we initially had. So I'm adding to our options for our widget. We can also go back to our settings here, and we can go to our price editor. This is what we have already done so far in terms of our price sync. We need to make sure we've already done our price sync for our Apple and Google. And if you guys do not recall that, let's go ahead and edit. This is what we selected for the price data, where exactly the price data is going to come for the automatic pricing used by Reusely when people sell us back their products. So we're going to turn this on for the other products that we have here. We're going to select where our data source is coming from. So we're just going to go ahead and select Buyback World, apply, and we're going to do this for the other products. Perfect. So now that we have the products that we want in the widget to be displayed, we have our pricing sync for all the products. Let's go back to settings. We can also change the payout, whether, and this is going back to what payment platforms we're using. So we've selected in the beginning PayPal. This is where you can change it in the back end if you so desire. So let's go into the widget settings here. We're going to go ahead and click that. This is where we change anything related to our widget. This is where we change the colors, the background color, the button color. As you can see, we have all different options in terms of colors here. We're going to go ahead and just change it to black here. And just so you guys can see, you can see the color change of the products here. Based on this, we can change the background color, but we're going to leave that as is. You have the powered by Reusely. This is Pro. If you want to turn the branding off, you're going to have to be a Pro member. You can change the icon style. You can change the language, add terms and conditions, offer settings, and of course, we can sort how we want to have our products. So here we can have essentially which one or which products is more priority for us, which we want first, second, third, fourth, so on and so forth. We also have the landing page builder if you guys are not familiar with this. So just to read this out, this is what a landing page builder is. This is a setting that creates a unique widget code that only displays a specific category, brand, or model of products. This is generally used for landing pages on websites. For example, an iPhone landing page would utilize this feature. And what exactly that means is you can create a specific landing page that purchases or buys back iPhones or specific brand products only. So if you're looking to buy back specific iPhones or iPhones only, you can build a specific iPhone only landing page. And let's go ahead and do Apple brand and just do specifically the iPhone here. So that is just another feature here. All right, so let's go to the widget code. Now there are other things that we can do in regards to the starting point. So this is where our widget code, in this dropdown, we can copy the widget code that we'll be using on our Wix Studio site. We just copy and paste it into an HTML block and the magic just happens. So what this means, the widget starting point, we can have brands, meaning instead of phones being showcased, we have the brands that can be showcased. We can have the category be showcased, meaning we have phones or smartphones. And if you guys are doing other things such as laptops, other things that you guys are doing in terms of buyback, you guys can start with brand, category, product, and you can even have a search bar. But again, this is a pro feature. With that being said, we're just going to go ahead and go with product first, just so we have all of our individual items. We're not using that much, so we're going to go ahead and start here. So with that said, I'm going to go ahead and copy this widget code, and we are going to head over to Wix Studio. All right, so I'm opening up Wix Studio here. I'm opening up my buyback site, and I simply copied a brand that is currently using Reusely called Computer Cave. And on this website, this is on their sell page. As you can see, sell your old device, get paid same day. What we're doing here is we already have, as you guys can see here in Wix Studio, we already have an iframe in here where we have copied and pasted our Reusely script in this box here. Now, just to show you guys what this process looks like, I'm just going to go ahead and publish. This is already published. I'm just going to publish again, show you guys what it looks like as we view the site. Here we go. We have our logo here. It's nice and branded. We could also change the color of this, and I'm going to kind of do that with you live just here. We're going to delete this, and we're going to change some of the colors live together. So as you guys can see, just go through the process with you. We're going to go and look at iPhones. We're going to sell our Apple iPhone 5. We're going to go ahead and do Verizon. 256 gigabytes. And let's see, what condition is it in? We are in, let's say, likely new. Confirm condition. This is the cost, total payout. Let's continue. And we add in our email information. I'm just going to go ahead and put my information here. Payout is PayPal. I can enter in my PayPal information, my email address, and I can lock in the offer. Okay, so now that you guys kind of see how this works, and of course, we're not doing this for real. I just want you guys to see what the process of the widget is, because it is awesome. The pricing is absolutely amazing because it's automatic, and the full process is built out for you. All you have to do is just add this widget to your site. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna show you how to put this on the Wix Studio site from scratch. I'm just gonna go ahead and click these three dots, click hide, and we are going to add our own new widget with you here live so you can see how it's done. So I'm just gonna go in Wix Studio, I'm gonna go to add elements. I'm going to then go to embed and social, and I'm gonna grab embed code right here. I'm gonna go ahead and attach this to this section that we have. Basically, it's an iframe, and I'm gonna click enter code right here. And if you guys remember, I have this hole in this widget code section in the Reusely platform. We have done all of our changes that we wanted in our landing page builder, or excuse me, in our widget settings, and we just simply have to copy this code. Now, granted, before we do that, I'm gonna actually go back to widget settings, and I'm gonna select a green color to match our branding on our Wix Studio site. We're gonna do a little bit of a leafy green. And if you guys wanted to be specific, you guys can obviously copy and paste the hex code, but we are not going to do that at this moment. Actually, we might. Let's see here. I'm gonna go to this vector art or our buttons here. I'm gonna select this, and we are going to grab this hex code. I'm going to copy, come back to Reusely, switch this to our hex code, and let's see, we have 4BBB17. There we go. Now matches our buttons. I'm gonna hit enter, and now I'm gonna go ahead and copy this widget code, and now we're gonna go back to our edited site here on Wix Studio. Go back to our iframe. There's nothing inside it, which is why we have our little upside down face. We're gonna enter our code, click inside, paste, hit update, and there we go. We see our widget. It's a little cut off, so all we have to do here is stretch this puppy to the limit here in terms of width from one end to the other, and I can also pull these down. There we go. Stretch it till I get to see everything in the widget, and I think that is good. From here, all I'm gonna do is, we have everything already built out. We have our widget, we have our iframe that has our Reusely code in here. And all I'm gonna do is hit publish. And I'm gonna give it a couple seconds, and I'm going to view site. I'm gonna scroll down, and we should see exactly our Reusely widget is implemented with the new colors. We have our logo here already in the Wix Studio website, and just as I wanted to show you guys before, everything works perfectly. We have the powered by Reusely right underneath the widget. We have the search bar, and we can just go in and do the same process as before. Pricing, automatic. We can continue, and we just put our information in as a customer, and we can lock in the offer. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That is a buyback site simply built in Wix Studio. This stuff does not take a lot of time. The design was one piece. It didn't take us a lot of time. We simply created something in Wix Studio with the help of plugins like the Figma to Wix Studio plugin that is coming in the future. You guys will simply be able to design in Figma and use plugins such as the HTML to Figma plugin in Figma, and be able to take a full site and copy it simply with a click of a button from Figma to Wix Studio. In a click of a button, have a full-blown website, and simply copy and paste your widget from Reusely into an iframe in the middle of your site to have a perfectly operating buyback site for your business. So with that said, pretty much covers it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in understanding what a buyback site is, why it's beneficial, and how you can create one using Reusely and Wix Studio combined. If you're looking to start your business venture easily and effectively, Reusely is a great tool to consider. So with that said, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.